So I'm going to try and make this intro really short. First, I am filming by the window, so the lighting is going to keep changing whilst the sun moves. But that doesn't matter. So yesterday, it was actually yesterday I filmed this vlog. I went to see my brothers in Worthing, and I thought I did an intro when I was filming vlogging in the car. There wasn't really much of an intro, so I decided to film an intro now. So what happened is I filmed us in the car, screaming at a fake chicken on a roundabout, playing on the beach with stones and drinking hot chocolate. We also did go out for lunch. We went to McDonald's because there's a lot of us and we're quite fussy. But I didn't film there because it was really busy and we were trying to find our seats. Jake also filmed a video on his channel, but I don't know if he's gonna we're waiting for him to upload it because his upload's been a bit weird. But he didn't film an intro because he doesn't really want to. He's a boy. So yeah, I hope you don't mind. I know it's gonna. I didn't want it to be as long as it's going to be, but it's gonna be quite long. At the end, there's gonna be some pictures. Fun. So I'm very sorry about it being so long, but hope you don't mind. You get to see an inside of my life. So yeah, love you all. Bye. Mwah. Oops. So I'm in the car at the moment with Penny. Penny, heading? Is that right? Basically heading. They need to move a bit. It's Penny, and now it's me, and we've also got Jakey and the adults. They're driving, but they're not going to film them. They're driving. We're on our way to go see our older brothers. Yay! We're going to the seaside. We don't live at the seaside. That's where they live. Got my nails done. Not actually do my nails. And we're sat in the car. And I'm editing. Jake's editing. I don't know what the girls are doing. But yeah. Because I'm editing. And what I'm going to do is I just started editing. I was editing my last video, which was like 19. I don't know if I'm going to upload this first or that first. And I was editing while I'm doing gymnastics today. My dad's filming. Hello! I'm not sure if Jake's vlogging today. Jake, you vlogging today? Yeah. Jake's vlogging today. Yeah. Cool. Look forward to that. Yeah. Penny has my nails done as well. And it is about what? If you can't find us on YouTube that easily, you always subscribe to me, okay? I'm gonna put on Instagram a tag about our mine and Jake's YouTube, because we couldn't find our own each other's YouTube and that, so we was sat there, we can't find it, why can't we find it? We had to email each other it, and we put email stuff on it and everything, and it was so awkward. So, yeah. But if you want to subscribe to me, yeah, you can. You should get your friends to subscribe to me. Eyebrow. What? I didn't play his hair until about 5 little friends of mine. Yeah, we'll film when we get there. I don't know, we'll sleep all together. Yeah. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye! That's your editing. Oops. Walking, probably. So we are at Worthing and we're gonna go on this grass bit for a second. There's like cars everywhere. Yeah, we're gonna go for this little thing that we loved. Oops, sorry, stop filming now. Yeah, so yeah, Jake's vlogging as well. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around on myself now. So yeah, people must be looking at us like we're absolute weirdos, but we're not that weird. We're vlogging. Are you going on the grass bit, are we?
We're just sitting here, you can see the girls.
Second turn back. So yeah, sit in there. Yeah, going to cut off the phone. Oh, after that in a second. So here's Penny's.
I'm going to climb up.
So I'm going to show you Penny's hair quickly. If you can see that, it's Penny's hair. It's those plants. And I'm going to show you what to take now. We're back. So we've got Dad's back now. Sarah, I have Rory and Joseph behind Dad. Oops. They're a lot older than us.
They're 18 and 17. No,
19 and 17. Get it right, Jake.
Yeah.
I've redone my hair again because I didn't like it. So yeah. I can't. You notice how small Esme is, and that's how tall my brother is. I think we're two. Look how small Sarah is though. You probably can't see it as a person sometimes. Miss Jakey. Oh. He's not going to film yet until about when we start eating. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. You smell. Ugly person. So, Penny does say hello.
How are you doing?
Penny!
Penny!
Say hello. Eddie. We'll see you in a bit then. Jakey's one. Jakey. Do it again. Do meow. Do meow.
What, A-level?
And it's editing now. Chatting about pineapple. This is here.
I had high five! Oh, high five! When Daddy went out with Sophie, they got a drink because they never paid for the drink because they sat outside. They just left the drink for no money. My daddy was like, we forgot to because they forgot. Look at my drink. They didn't pay for the drink. My drink.
On YouTube, they're going to get arrested now. Put it on YouTube.
What on YouTube?
I guess it's as good as mine.
Penny, what is it?
Who do you love, Jacob Frost? Me. Yeah.
No, what is
me. That's a
What? Doesn't wave it to him.
You know what you say that when Jake's best friend Ben comes round, he always tells you everything. Does he tell you about Jake's crushes? Jake's crushes.
She said Jake Grace.
Oh, don't cut my toes!
Right, is everybody finished then?
Yeah, I know a lot about it. I just went in the shop. Nice in that, sounds nice. It's an art gallery.
Like me to be a cameraman.
No, because you'll turn it off. I just kicked Rory in the leg. He was like, ah! We was going to go into the shop for today, do something we like, but then we couldn't because it's closed. And Sarah's ickle. Sarah's upset, aren't you, Sarah? Because Yankee Candles is not open anymore. So she's very upset. So Ickle's upset. Sarah doesn't speak. Sarah's not speaking anymore. She's too upset.
What are you speaking?
She's too upset to speak. Look at that. Oh. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Over there.
Oh, that one. There's got a hole through it.
Oh yeah. It's in a mood to come over. Just Dad. It's Dad. I don't know.
Hang on, where's Penny?
Where's Penny?
She's just down the bottom there.
Where?
Down straight in front. She's just down there.
I can't see her. Oh. Penny. Jesus. There's Rory being a weirdo.
What?
It's me covering him with stones. That's really funny.
Huh? Covering you with stones.
I know, went on his top of him. There's Sarah. Or Ickle. Ickle.
I would have not to go walking down there.
Bomb in the air.
You got loads of stones. And
No.
So are you gonna get her?
No. She's sinking the sinking mud by herself.
Let's come back.
Ezzy, you're going to get your shoes. No, she'll...
The red one. You can't.
Roy just stuck his face in the whipped cream. No, he literally stuck his whole face in it, actually. And that's what I'm going. There is any. Yeah, we said that. Oh.
Look at Jake.
Jakey's done it as well. It's on your nose.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah.
What?